Hey guys, this is Rudy. I'm getting ready to hop on the Toro. Can you see it? Yeah, that's my Toro 4225. I'm excited. I don't know, there's something about this thing. When I get on it, I'm cutting grass. You know, I got my shades. Weather's nice. Got my earbuds. Pop a podcast in. And I'm ready to rock and roll. It's something about getting out, mowing, cutting grass, and hopping on this beast. Yeah, it's just something about hopping on this thing, man. It's rewarding. I look forward to it. It's not as quite as fun as driving this beast, but I don't know if you can see that right there, but yeah, that's my other beast. But I don't know. We're gonna get out here, mow some grass. Weather's nice. It's the 4225, and it's getting the job done, guys. You know, I just was listening to a podcast and really just taking a little moment to clear my head. You know, do a lot of stuff at home online, as well as I have a contracting business in construction. And it's good to be able to get out of the house sometimes. And I never had this problem when I worked in a production facility because I was always out and about, you know, doing my thing. But now it's just a little different. So, but today, man, I just want to continue to inspire you. You know, I wouldn't be able to do things like this. This is like the middle of the day. I'm not having to tell my boss, hey, I need time off and I need to take care of stuff at home. I just do what I got to do because I have my own business. So work my own schedule. If I want to stay up late, I want to get up early, do what I got to do just to get things done, I do it. And just want to inspire you. And this thing is just amazing. It's absolutely amazing to drive. I would highly recommend it. I'm not affiliated with Toro at all, but if you're interested in a Toro, you can't go wrong. This is the Time Cutter SS4225. Engine purrs, it runs, got a lot of power, it's comfortable. Only thing I'm missing is a beverage. It's got the cup holders and all that good stuff on it. So yeah, man, just continue to, you know, if there's things you want to do in life and you want to make a difference, if things are holding you back from becoming, you know, if there are things that are holding you back from reaching your full potential, or there's dreams and aspirations you have, do not wait because life is short, and I'm a witness of it, man. You gotta go after it. The greatness is right on the other side of the wall, and you just gotta go after it. So, beautiful day, finally in the Northeast, New York. Man, it was cold for the longest, but I'm gonna enjoy every minute of it. I need to go trim, sweep up and whatnot. I might do that later. I got some more business to do. But yeah, just thanks for stopping by. Please like, subscribe. I'm going to continue to bring you more great content to this channel. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions. If you have any questions about this mower, man, this thing's an absolute joy. There she is. I need to clean the grass and stuff off of it. But yeah, man, I'm out. Peace out, and I'll see you in another episode.